Cracking, folks, it's Dylan. We're about to start on this full carbon mountain bike rigid frame build for under 800 bucks, I'm hoping. Full tubeless, really nice Shimano components, full carbon rigid MTB 29-inch wheels. Let's get to unboxing this puppy. Just got this box from Texas and it smells like ass. Guess what's inside of it? Full carbon mountain bike frame, handlebars, stem, seat post, forks, all that in here, and I'm saying this puppy is light. Like, it feels like there might be a little toy bicycle in there, it's so light. I got this for 300 bucks. Pair of forks, some handlebars that literally feel like a twig, oh my goodness. This is so much lighter than I was expecting. Let's get into assembly. A quick time lapse of this thing. I'll show you what it looks like now. And then after that, I will give you a breakdown of how I was able to keep this thing under budget. Never have luck with these things, whether they're bicycle headsets, dirt bike headsets, Beats headsets. Shout out to Dre. Whatever headset it is, I end up having an issue with it. So I'm using a technique I use for my dirt bike. I freeze the headset bearing so that it's able to sink into the head tube, because the colder that the bearing is, it shrinks a little bit, so I can drop it into the head tube. Special frozen delivery for Dr. Lloyd. Oops. Shoot, I'm gonna try filming this with my mouth. So now I'm going to get into a quick breakdown of the parts and components that went into this build, where I purchased them and how much they cost. So starting off with the parts that I purchased from eBay, I bought the carbon frame set, which included the handlebars, the stem, the seat post, the frame, and the fork. That originally costed $300, but due to a small blemish on the frame, I got that for free, which is awesome. Shout out to eBay for that. I also purchased a pair of Goodyear Transit Tour tubeless 700C tires for commuting for $60.91. I purchased a seat clamp for $6.99 and a quick release fork for $86.21. Off of Facebook, which is where I got most of my killer deals that really made this project happen. I got 2 wheel sets from the same dude, one Jalco rims, stout hubs, and Avid discs. Those were 50 bucks, and the second set were WTB SX19 rims with Shimano hubs and Avid discs, which were virtually brand new. They are fresh for an additional 50. I bought a set of WTB Vigilante tubeless 29er tires, a 2.3 for the back and a 2.5 for the front for $20 total. They were brand new, so fresh. I purchased a Shimano Dior hydraulic Ice Tech brake set for 70 bucks, which came with an SLX shifter for another 10. I bought Shimano M162 clipless shoes for $5 and Shimano SLX clipless pedals for $5. Off of Amazon, I bought a Shimano 11 to 46 tooth cassette for $55.99, a large chain ring for $33.99, KMC chain for $21.97, carbon fiber headset spacers for $8.95, a Shimano Dior XT bottom bracket for $22.81, a Shimano SLX rear derailleur for $56.99, Stan's no tubes Presta valves. I got 4 of those for a total of $15.96, a bottle of Stan's no tubes tire sealant, 16 ounces for $16.80, and finally from Worldwide Cyclery, I purchased a Shimano Dior Holotech 2 crank set for $86.56, a pair of race face crank boots tubes for $7.18, a pair of Ergon GP3L grips, which are super amazing, I love them, for $42.46, and a set of Race Face Chester composite pedals for $33.14. This totaled to $766.91, which is within the $800 budget that we were aiming for, and it couldn't have been done without taking advantage of amazing deals on Facebook, as well as taking advantage of eBay and their money-back guarantee. So thanks everybody for making this happen. Let's finish up assembling this thing and I'll show you what it looks like now.